The low-key Toronto home embraces artistic brilliance with its custom backsplash that transforms the kitchen into an enchanting culinary environment. The brutalist-inspired tiles by Catherine Carroll of Black Rock Tile Studio capture attention and become a captivating centerpiece. The vintage Charlotte Perrier sconces illuminate the display shelf, showcasing a curated collection of vintage vessels. This unconventional design choice proves that wall space can be an artistic canvas and functional display area simultaneously. By merging art and functionality, this kitchen exudes a distinctive charm and exemplifies the homeowner's appreciation for creativity and craftsmanship. The counter-to-ceiling backsplash made entirely of round white pennies in the Manhattan crash pad designed by Ariel Ash and Ronaldo Leandro is a testament to the power of creativity and reimagining the ordinary. This innovative use of a seemingly mundane item challenges preconceptions and showcases the beauty that can be found in simplicity. By turning a simple penny into a captivating design element, the designers not only transformed the space, but also prompted a reevaluation of the worth and potential of everyday objects. The resulting look is a testament to the limitless possibilities of design and the ability to create extraordinary results from the most unexpected sources. Madison Lussier's kitchen renovation in a Santa Barbara home showcases her talent for transforming a space with thoughtful design choices. By replacing the heavy hood, incorporating rustic wood accents, and accentuating the stunning Lacquanche range, Lussier has achieved a remarkable transformation. The renovated kitchen now exudes modernity, warmth, and visual interest, resulting in a space that is both inviting and visually striking. Lussier's keen eye for design and commitment to creating harmonious spaces shine through in this successful renovation project. Jessie Carrier and Mara Miller's design prowess shines through in their incorporation of a checkered zellige backsplash in a large kitchen. The vibrant and playful nature of the backsplash is beautifully balanced by the choice of neutral cabinets, allowing the backsplash to become the captivating focal point of the space. The hand-glazed terracotta tiles not only add visual interest and charm, but also pay homage to the historical context of the Tudor home. This kitchen serves as a testament to the designer's ability to blend modern design with a nod to tradition, resulting in a charming and visually captivating culinary haven. Jonna Roach's admiration for her zellige tile backsplash in her kitchen is well-deserved. The allure of zellige tile lies in its timeless appeal, texture, and natural color variation. The individuality of each tile, with its pits, cracks, and chipped edges, adds a unique charm and a handmade feel that perfectly complements Roach's design preferences. By incorporating zellige tile, she has created a kitchen that exudes character, seamlessly blending with old furniture and natural materials. With its enduring beauty, zellige tile continues to captivate and inspire, making it an excellent choice for any design enthusiast seeking a touch of timeless charm. Kelsey Gross's selection of aged gray porcelain tiles for her farmhouse kitchen renovation demonstrates her keen eye for design. The variation and ability to install the tiles from floor to ceiling provide a captivating visual appeal. The stacked layout adds a subtle mid-century touch, while the rough around the edges feel brings warmth and character to the space. Paired with a modern light fixture, the combination of urban and rustic elements creates a truly unique and inviting kitchen that seamlessly blends modern farmhouse style with contemporary influences. The use of contrasting grout in the Hamptons kitchen exemplifies the power of contrasts in design. By pairing crisp white subway tiles with bold black grout, the designers created a visually striking juxtaposition that adds depth, visual interest, and modernity to the space. This design hack transforms a simple subway tile backsplash into a standout feature that makes a statement in all the right ways. The contrasting grout not only highlights the beauty of the subway tiles, but also adds a touch of personality and sophistication to the kitchen. Jenny Murphy's selection of rectangular tiles with subtle organic texture for the Denver basement renovation proves that the smallest design elements can make a significant impact. The handmade appearance, natural undulation, and imperfections of the tiles create a unique and visually captivating backdrop. They add depth, charm, and contemporary elegance to the basement bar, while gracefully complementing the soapstone countertops. This choice demonstrates the power of texture and design, and the ability of an element to create visual interest without overpowering the space. By embracing the imperfections and organic nature of the tiles, the Denver basement renovation achieves a harmonious balance between simplicity, contemporary style, and artisanal charm. Designer Pamela Shamshiri demonstrates her mastery of maximalism by incorporating patterned granada tiles in the flooring of a Hollywood Hills home. To achieve balance and visual cohesion, she skillfully pairs the vibrant flooring with a crisp white subway tile backsplash. This design choice allows the flooring to shine as a focal point, while providing a calm and neutral backdrop. The combination of patterns and textures creates a captivating visual interplay that adds depth, personality, and a touch of excitement to the space. Shamshiri's expert use of contrasting elements demonstrates the art of maximalist design and showcases the potential for creativity and self-expression in interior design. The custom geometric backsplash designed by Jess and Jonathan Taylor of Taylor Plus Taylor represents a departure from traditional subway tiles, showcasing the transformative power of custom designs. By embracing the possibilities of pattern and variation, the designers successfully blended old and new elements in an old Hollywood home. The playful yet sophisticated aesthetic of the backsplash adds a unique touch, demonstrating the creative potential of customization. This bespoke feature becomes a focal point, infusing the space with character, personality, and a sense of modernity. The geometric backsplash serves as a testament to the designer's ability to push design boundaries and create truly remarkable spaces.